Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel for all pocket watch lovers. Today, I'm presenting a true piece of precision history, an Omega stopwatch in action. A simple instrument, yet one that carries over a century of mechanical innovation. Since the late 19th century, Omega has been devoted to mastering the science of time. Back then, every wheel and every spring was adjusted by hand, perfection measured not by seconds, but by fractions of them. These early experiments gave birth to Omega's first precision chronometers, capable of rivaling observatory instruments. In 1932, Omega was chosen as the official timekeeper of the Los Angeles Olympic Games. For the first time in history, a single company was responsible for every official timing event. That partnership changed sports forever. From the 1950s through the 1970s, Omega produced an entire range of mechanical stopwatches, used in athletics, racing, and laboratories worldwide. Models like this one, with its black dial and iconic red Omega logo, were capable of timing down to 1/100th of a second. Inside, a robust Lemania-based movement ensured reliability under any condition. As technology advanced, Omega transitioned into digital timing and photo finish systems. But the mechanical stopwatch remained a masterpiece, a reminder of the era when precision was powered purely by gears, springs, and human craftsmanship. Today, each Omega stopwatch is more than an instrument. It's a bridge between science, sport, and art. Every click of the pusher tells a story of time measured and history made. If you love the art of precision and the beauty of mechanical timekeeping, subscribe for more stories from the world of pocket watches. Thanks for watching.